There are many practical and fashionable reasons to wear a bandana. I made this one to complete my Halloween costume. Can't say what it's from, I don't want to get sued. Ready to make your own custom bandana? Grab your sewing kit and let's get to it. For this project you will need cotton fabric, matching thread, scissors or a rotary cutter and mat, a fabric marker, a ruler, a sewing gauge which is optional, and an iron. Bandanas are typically 22 inches square. I want a little more flexibility for my abnormally large head, so I'll make this one 24 by 24 inches. I'm utilizing a 1/2 inch double fold hem on the sides, so I'll add 2 inches to the width and height when I cut my piece. You can use other seam styles and allowances if you want to, just be sure to include it in your calculations. This piece is 26 by 26 inches. Fold the edges over 1/2 inch to the wrong side and iron. Fold another 1/2 inch and iron again. Repeat for the other edges. Now it's time to sew. You can just top stitch a line or two around the edges if you prefer, but I'll be sewing 4 straight lines near the fold of the edges, backstitching at both ends for extra secure corners. That's it, the bandana is good to go. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions or comments, and we'll see you next time.